Welcome to part number I forget, and in this part we're going to test our race in Dolphin. Yeah, really quickly I'm going to replace the KCLs and thing again because I'm not sure if I actually saved it or not. Can't remember. I'm bad at remembering. I can't even remember the part number we're on, even though it's like 5 or 7 or 6 or something. Oh well. I'm going to replace the KCL, and of course, even though I probably already did this, just bear with me here. I'm just super, I don't know a word for that. Alright, so now that we've got our thing all done with the KMP, KCL, and the racing stuff, what we can do is we can go to Wii Scrubber, open that, load ISO, and we go to our, Mario Kart ISO, and we open that partition, then race, and then course, and then we find the course that we are replacing it with. In this case it would be Kanoko course, which is Mushroom Gorge, and we go to custom tracks and tutorial race, and right here we have Kanoko course, which we hit open and it automatically replaces it, and you hit OK, and then when it's done loading you hit yes on exiting, and now we can open it up in Dolphin and test it out. Hopefully it doesn't crash or anything. So let's just do that. We'll make this full screen. I don't know why every time I open up Dolphin and start emulating, the screen recorder just goes black for a second. It's weird. Alright, so we'll just test this in time trials, and we'll just use the most generic vehicle combination, character vehicle combination ever. And we can do Mushroom Gorge, which is the one we replaced it on, and test it out. Oh, look at that, it worked. So here we have our nice race. We haven't animated yet, so I will show you that in a second. And we have these little bumps on the ground which you can trick off of, and then we have the tons and tons of oil slicks. Yep, and then we should have a cannon right here. Yep. And does it count the lap? It does not. Look at that. How handy is that? It doesn't count the lap. That is interesting. This will be a challenge right here. Did we like miss a checkpoint or something? Yeah, there, we counted the lap. For some reason we like might have skipped over a checkpoint. Oh well. But yeah, this is, well, yeah. That's how you test it in Dolphin. That was, this part's probably going to be the quickest one at 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So, yeah, on to the next part, which we will deal with animations. Yeah, we're gonna do animations and then finish this up. So, yeah, see you in part number